Hi everybody, quick combination. Parry, counter strike. Yeah. What I didn't mention on the other video was, if you're fighting Orthodox fighters, you're gonna go outside this way. Yeah, then counter. And Southpaw this way, and then counter that way. Okay? So, first one, let the bag swing back and forth. Yeah, Orthodox fighter. So, this way, then strike. Whee! That was close. Yeah, so keep your hands up constantly. So this helps me and reminds me to keep it up. So, again, Orthodox fighter. Yeah? So Parry, boom. And Southpaw. Back and forth. Ooh, that was good. So yeah, I love this bag. Hope these videos help you, and go through it slow first. Yeah, quick demonstration Southpaw. Yeah, Orthodox. Back and forth. That was a bit slow, but I was waiting for the ball to come back. So do it nice and slow first, and then work your way up from there.